commandments of driving. First, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Second, I will not pass without care on curve, nor hills, nor the views is unseen by my eyes. Third, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playground, hospital, and other dangerous zone. 7. I will not 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and pedestrians. The 10 Commandments of Road Safety from Traveler. First, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Second, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Third, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Fourth, thou shalt not take any chances. Fifth, thou shalt not buckle up thy kids. Sixth, thou shalt not drive on the bright. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limits. 9. Thou shalt keep thy distance. 10. Thou shalt practice patience. Commandments of self-clearance. First, keep right. Second, observe road courtesy. Third, prohibit parking. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5th, the bus stop rule lining up on the bus stop zones. 6. Rule to prevent or untangled traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come, first serve vehicles. 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders.